Hi, I'm Richard Morrison with Climate Masters Heating and Air Conditioning. Not checking this one thing in your home twice yearly significantly increases the chances of loss of your home or a loved one. That's your home heating source. The National Fire Prevention Association reports that on an annual basis between the years 2014 and 2018, your home heating sources caused over 48,350 fires. These fires resulted in over 500 losses of lives, 1,350 injuries, and $1.1 billion in property damage. In our market, the two most common sources of heat are gas or electric. And gas furnaces are a great way to heat your home, but they must be checked regularly. Gas furnaces have a chance of not firing properly and causing a fire in your home. Also, a furnace that's not serviced properly produces high levels of carbon monoxide, and this is a danger to you and your family. Electric heating sources draw high amperages that can cause melting wires, can also result in a fire. Here are a few things that you can do to avoid these dangerous situations. Clean or replace your air filter on a regular basis. This will ensure proper airflow to your furnace to avoid an overheating situation. Do not store combustible materials near your heating source. Become very aware of the symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning. Own a carbon monoxide detector and a smoke detector, and twice yearly check them to make sure they're functioning properly. And finally, have your heating source checked twice annually by a qualified HVAC professional. At Climate Masters, we have a rigorous 24-point maintenance and safety inspection. This inspection is performed by our NATE certified technicians and significantly reduces the chance of fire or carbon monoxide poisoning in your home. Understanding the importance of regular maintenance on your home heating source, for a limited time, Climate Masters is offering a buy one, get one free offer for our maintenance program. Just buy one for your home, and for no additional charge, Climate Masters will perform that same rigorous 24-point maintenance and safety inspection for a friend or a loved one. I'm Richard Morrison with Climate Masters Heating and Air Conditioning, where the quality of our work forecasts our future.